2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
4.
Toys.
For your old McDonald farm toys?
Yeah.
Oh, do you like them?
Yeah.
What's special about them?
It's not a toy.
It's not just a toy?
No.
What can it do?
It's a ghost.
It's a ghost?
No, it's not a ghost.
It's not a ghost? Not right now. It's just Munch, right?
No, much. This is a McDonald's.
Oh, that's old McDonald?
Yeah.
Does Munch live on his farm?
No.
Can you sing Old MacDonald for me?
This is a old McDonald.
Okay, can you sing the song?
Old McDonald had a ghost. Oh, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had a woo, 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 woo.
So the ghost says, woo, woo. Is that right?
Woo!
That was really nice of Gammy and Papa to give you their Old MacDonald toys.
A cute.
Oh, well, excuse you. Was that really nice of Gammy and Papa to give you those?
Yeah.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
Can you say, I love you, Gammy and Papa?
Oh, go, go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.